Do you struggle with low porosity hair that feels dry, stiff, or hard to moisturize? Do not worry, I have a solution today. I am sharing a super nourishing DIY hair mask made from natural ingredients like banana, avocado, coconut oil, olive oil, honey, and essential oils. This hair mask will soothe your hair, lock in moisture, reduce breaking, and give your hair the shinier, healthy look you have been dreaming of. Stay tuned. We are starting this step by step. Thank you for watching. Hi everyone. Today I am sharing a super nourishing hair mask for low porosity hair. Starting by banana, as you guys can see, I peel one banana inside, and also I'm not throwing the peels and the peel away. I'm putting it aside because I'm going to boil it to use it as a tea for raising tea, to raise my daughter and our hair. So that's why you can see that I'm putting all the peels aside. So now my next ingredient that I'm going to peel is my avocado. So I'm going to peel this avocado also, but as I told you people, I'm not throwing anything away. I'm already washed this thing to make sure that it's clean before I started to peel it, so the cover or the peels I'm not throwing away. I will use it and boil. So let's continue. Why I'm doing, my daughter just trying to do something, so I have to remove the hand blender from the plug so that I can continue my work. So I'm putting my avocado, I'm adding it into my banana. Let's listen to the music, but don't worry, I'll definitely going to tell you the benefit of these ingredients for using it for your hair. Okay, so stay tuned and watch to the end because you don't need to miss any one step. If you miss it and you want to do it, you may wondering how you can start, how are you going to start it, and how are you going to finish it. Also, I will teach you people how to apply it and the minutes that you need to wait for this hair mask to wait inside your hair before you go and wash it. So you have to watch to the end. Okay, I will show everything to you guys. The ending of the video, I will show you how to apply. Everything is going to be in the video, so please stay tuned and watch to the end. So now let's continue. Now what I'm going to do, this thing I'm going to put water inside and put it in fire, on fire please make my English get well in nourishing, nourish my English for me in the comments below. So I'm put my thing on fire. So now also I start to do what, to blend my banana and avocado. Okay guys, so let's continue the work. Guys, after finish blending it, I put it inside my bowl. So now it's time for me to add my ingredients. I'm adding coconut oil. I add 2 tablespoons of coconut oil inside. Okay, so if you have coconut oil, you can put inside. If you don't have it, maybe the oils that you have in your hand, whether you have a grapeseed oil or avocado oil, whatever that you have in your hand, you can use that oil to do what, you can add that oil inside. But make sure that this hair mask, when you are doing it, try all your best to get some oil to add inside. Even if you don't get that type of oil, you can add your sunflower oil also. That one I know you have it inside your kitchen, you can add inside. So now the next ingredient now I'm adding was my coconut essential oil. So I added coconut essential oil into it. So now I'm going to add argan essential oil. That one also is very good. That's why I'm telling you people to stay tuned and watch to the end, because I'm going to summarize the benefit for you people, so that you guys also will see the benefit that these things have, and also after using it, how your hair is going to feel. You will come back here to thank me. So now my next ingredient now I'm adding is vitamin E oil. I'm adding my vitamin E oil inside. Maybe someone can say, why am I adding small? Let me just add small. Now things are very expensive, so you cannot buy it. Just pour everything inside one bowl, or one hair mask, or one hair butter, or infusing oil. So you have to manage your ingredients very well. So I added my vitamin E oil. So now I'm mixing everything. When you are doing it this way, after add your things, you have to make sure that you mix everything. You let all the ingredients to mix each other, okay, to mix very well. So now my next thing that I'm adding is honey. So the only thing I did here, I did a little bit mistake, because I added olive oil also inside. By the time that I was adding inside, I think I stopped the video, or Princess was doing something. I tried to check her. So after that, I didn't show it to you people, but I added olive oil also inside. So if you have olive oil also, you can add inside. If you have only one oil, you can add. If you have that both two oil also, you can add inside. It doesn't matter, because of we know that olive oil and coconut oil is not good for low prostate hair, but this type of thing you can just use it, because she will just go in. I will use it for her to sit maybe just like 30 minutes before I will took her and go and wash her off. So it doesn't matter whether it is coconut oil or olive oil. Those oils are heavy oils, but you can add it into your mask and apply to your daughter or you yourself. So now make sure also your hair is clean. You wash your hair, your hair is clean, your scalp is clean. So but when you are going to apply the mask, if your hair is dry, always make sure to hydrate your hair first before put your hair mask into your hair, okay? So guys, now let's see the benefit of this hair mask. Banana, let's check the banana is strengthening hair, reducing breaking and adding shining. And avocado is moisturizing deep in your scalp. It's also rich in vitamin A, vitamin E and vitamin D. Avocado. And coconut oil is penetrating hair shaft and preventing protein loss. Olive oil also is sealing in moisture, making your hair more soft and shining. And honey also is retain moisture and adding shining to your hair, and also is making your hair to be easier to manage your hair, because if your hair is very hard, you are adding honey. I've been saying this all the time, it will make your hair get more softer. Vitamin E oil also is repairs damaging hair, promoting hair growth, and glycerin also is locking in moisture, preventing dryness. If you are adding glycerin into your hair, it also will prevent your hair from drying, especially if you have dry scalp or you have dry hair all the time and you are adding glycerin to your hair, you will see more changes. And all the time I'm saying this, all my videos, consistency is the key. If you want to benefit something, you have to consistency using it. Don't use it once, don't use it twice and say no, you are not using it again. Make sure that you are using it. Hair mask even is must at least once in a week, and you do hair mask. If you can't do it that way, then make sure your wash day, that one you put it as is important for you to do hair mask into your hair, especially if you want to manage your hair or to grow your hair. These are the things that you don't need to miss it during your wash day. Please, if you watch it up to this point and you haven't subscribed, try all your best, subscribe to my channel, like it and share for me. Thank you very much for your lovely support. To my returning subscribers, guys, I cannot take you guys for granted. Guys, I'm reminding you people, they hack my account, my Gmail account, they hack it, so it make me I cannot enter my main account. So please, whoever that listening to this video and you know someone who can help me to get my channel ID, because I contact with YouTube team, they are doing a best, they are doing a good job, because immediately when you contact with them through from the Twitter, they will answer your question, they will answer you very fast. It's like, hey, they are waiting for you, and you have to remember that you are not the only one even there, but they will answer you all the time very quick. Okay, so they answer to me and they give me form in my email to fill, but I get some place that I just struck with some part, because it is asking me for my channel ID, and that channel channel ID, I cannot get it because I cannot get access to my main channel. So I have a big problem now. And that thing also, that form is just relaxing only 48 hours. From after 48 hours time, it's going to expire it, maybe, unless I ask for new again. So please guys, I need you guys support. I want you guys to support me, whether you subscribe to this channel, or also if you have any idea, check the description below, you see the email. Just email me how you can do to help me to get my channel ID, the channel that they hack, the ID for it. I need it. So now, after covering my daughter this way, I'm going to cover it and allow her to sit at least 30 minutes before I took her and go and bath her. So please guys, we need you guys support, because I'm trying to breathe, to grow this channel, and I know it's not easy here. So with you people, everything is going to be easy for me and my daughter, because I know you people will support us. Thank you very much for your lovely support. The remaining one, me myself, I'm just going to use it for my edges and my back. Bye bye until our next video.